Have you ever felt nervous or have you ever got negative thoughts before you were about to deliver a presentation in public? I remember once in my class, introductions were going on. Each and everyone had to introduce themselves one by one. But I was the one who was hiding myself. I did not want to go to the stage because I thought I would go blank. I did not know how to speak English at that time. But my teacher, she managed to see me and she sent me to the stage. I went to the stage and saw the huge crowd. By seeing the huge crowd, I went totally blank. Literally, I had no idea what to say. I was just looking at my feet and the whole crowd, they were looking at me. Since that moment, I had decided now I am not going to become a great public speaker. I am not going to speak English. I am not going to be on the stage again. In fact, I thought I am not going to attend that class. However, after 3 days ago, my teacher had delivered a great presentation on how to speak confidently in public. And there are three things that I have learned from that presentation, and literally it has changed my life. It has changed my life completely. Now I can say that I can speak anywhere confidently. And I promise, I guarantee, after watching this video, you will say to yourself that you can speak confidently anywhere. So without any further ado, let's get started. So the first thing is appreciation. Appreciation is one of the most important thing. By the way, it is one of the most underrated thing and no one talks about it. But it is one of the most important thing. Without it, you cannot become a great public speaker. I can prove you. For example, there are two people. One who is being appreciated by each and everyone. Each and everyone is saying to him, bro, you can do it. Bro, I have never seen a guy who can speak like you. Whereas there is another guy who is not being appreciated by anyone. Everyone is saying to him, you cannot do it. You can not speak English confidently. You cannot speak in public. When will you have confidence? And I don't think you will have confidence ever in your life. What do you think? Who will end up speaking confidently? Obviously, the one who is being appreciated by each and everyone. But now the question is, how do we get appreciation? The answer is very simple. Is to appreciate to other people. The more you appreciate to other people, the more appreciate you get. So always make sure to appreciate to other people, and next time when you deliver a presentation and when you attend a presentation, appreciate to your classmates. Second is take a pause. Look, when we are on a stage, we tend to speak too fast so that we can escape out of that situation. We just want to get out of the stage, get out of the stage. We don't want to be on stage for a long time. Therefore, we speak too fast so that our time can be over quickly. But it is a myth. If you want other people to see you as a great public speaker, you have to take pauses. Look, what happens is when you take a pause, you give time to people to process the information that you have given to them. As a result of, they perceive you more intelligently and they just do it. Now next time when you are on the stage, make sure to take pauses. Don't take pause after saying single sentence. Take pause after saying a huge or a long sentence. Third and last but certainly not least. So the third point is speak in front of an imaginary audience, or always complete your homework. Look, what happens is when we speak in front of an imaginary audience, let's say you have to deliver a presentation on Pakistan tomorrow. Today, what you have to do is you have to record a video of yourself in which you are speaking in front of an imaginary audience, because our brain doesn't even know the difference between an actual experience or a real experience. If we are getting our brain to experience something that is not happening in real, our brain will think that it is happening in real. As a result of, when you are on the stage in real, it will help you. So always make sure to practice, and always, we all have been told since childhood, complete your homework. So do complete your homework, prepare before you go to the stage. And if you follow those three things, literally your whole public speaking fear will be gone. You will not have a fear of public speaking, I guarantee. Your public speaking fear will be gone like a smoke. Moreover, you will get to learn a lot of things. Not only your public speaking fear will be gone, but also people will perceive you more intelligently. And they just do it if you provide some value to them. And if you have found immense value from this video, make sure to hit the subscribe button and hit the like button so that algorithm knows you are exist.